Today I'm going to teach you how to play a game called Subtraction Bowling. We have wanted to go bowling, but as you guys know, we're stuck inside. So we are going to make a bowling of our own. So here is what you're going to need to do it. You are going to need toilet paper rolls. These things once had paper, gold all over them, but now they're empty. Just kidding. So you are going to need toilet paper rolls. I did not have 10 of them, so I am using one water bottle. You can use these as well. And then you're going to need a ball. If you have a ball larger than this, you might want to separate all of your pins a little bit so that they're not too close together. Also, what you're going to need is something to write down scores. So we are going to be subtracting to see how many pins we got. So I have a score paper for each player. I have one for Connor, one for Liara, and one for me, Mom. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this works. I'm gonna go set these pins in place so you can kind of see how they're shaped, and then we're going to play. Okay guys, so we're all set up. We used our toilet paper rolls and one water bottle to make a triangle shape on the ground, and my kids are down there with our ball, and they found a place where they want to sit down. So now we're going to take turns, and we're going to roll, kick, bounce the ball, and see how many pins we can knock over. So Liara's gonna go first. I'm gonna let her roll, and then we're going to talk about how you can do this for subtraction. Okay, so go ahead. Wow! And there goes the ball. So on her paper, on Liara's paper, what we're going to do is we are going to write down 10 because we started off with 10 pins, and we are going to count how many pins fell over. So we're going to count and see. I have 1, 2, 3. So 10 minus 3, or 10 take away 3. And we want to know how many pins are still there. How many pins are still there? So we can go over and we can just count them. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pins are left. All right, then I'm going to put my pins back.
Mom, there's actually 6.
Oh yeah? And then I'm gonna put them back in that triangle shape, and I'm going to pass the ball to Connor, and then Connor's going to have a turn. Are you ready, Connor? Okay, go for it. Give me the space. Womp womp. So I'm gonna get Connor's game board, and then I'm going to write 10 pins because we started off with 10. 10 pins take away
0.
Take away 0. And how much is that? If I have 10 things and I don't take any things away, I take 0 things away, I have 10. So I have 10 pins left. All right, my turn. I bet I'm not gonna do any better. Okay, here we go. Austin, you're gonna get hit. I did the same. So, on my scoreboard, I have the same thing as Connor. There were 10 pins to start with, and I take away 0. So far, I think Liara is winning. So 10 take away 0 is 10. So Liara is gonna go one more time, and we're gonna show you how to add up scores as well. So go ahead, Liara. Wow, oh man.
I can try.
Let's try it again. Whoa! One is still standing. Okay, so gonna write down 10 minus on her sheet. But here's the thing, guys. Liara said, oh, there's only one still standing. So if I have 10, I don't even have to count the toilet paper rolls for this. If I have 10 and only one of them is still standing, then I know that I have 9 toilet paper rolls that got knocked over. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. At the end of your game, when you're all the way done playing bowling, what you could do as an addition practice is you can take, let me grab another color, you can take this middle number and you can add them all together. So 9 plus 3 is 12. So I could do 9 plus 3 equals 12. And then you can have some addition practice and subtraction practice. Hopefully you guys have fun with this activity at home and are able to have make a little bowling alley of your own. Bye guys.